In today's episode, I got a request for some slower content, so I went ahead and took my footage from yesterday and I cut it up a little bit differently. I added the scenes that I took out for brevity, but it's basically the same video. You just get to see everything. I know yesterday I had about 2 hours of footage to edit, and when you see it in a minute, it can be kind of overwhelming. So I'm not going to be able to voice over the whole thing just due to time in the morning. I got to get ready, but thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos, and enjoy the sound of my tools.